Greetings, and once more we have an opportunity to live life. It's another day in paradise. Greetings, welcome. Today I want to share a few thoughts with you, some awareness amplifiers in our continuous series. And the topic today is it's okay to feel vulnerable. Vulnerability is always seen as a weakness. Vulnerability is your true authenticity, because when you're going to become truly authentic with yourself, when you're going to be really real, and real is so rare, but when you become real, when you just step into being so authentic, it makes you vulnerable. Why? Because you may be ridiculed, you may be judged, you may be made fun of. And that's what causes the feeling of vulnerability. Because when you feel vulnerable, you feel so exposed. Like, here I am, and everybody's looking at me, and I feel so naked, and I feel so exposed. Vulnerability is your true power. Because you can share your truth. You can share fearlessly who you are. Express yourself fearlessly. And you can confront. You can show up. You can share yourself. And one of the things that we're most afraid of is to confront, because when we confront, we think that I can't say that. Oh, what will they think if I say that? Oh, I can't be seen to be doing that. No, you can confront. And when you stand up for yourself, when you accept your vulnerability, when you share your truth, what is true for you, what is real for you, that someone may disagree. And that's really okay. Don't let that stop you from participating. I spoke about participating in one of the other episodes that I've done. And, the value of participation. But when you participate, you become spontaneous. And when you participate and you be spontaneous, then you're just doing it. You're taking action. There's conduct. There's things that you're engaging with that's going to give you a result. And the result is your reward, because it's the result that determines how good you feel about yourself. And then you become the source, the cause of things happening, the big cause. You are the being that is causing that result. You are the source of the experience. You are the source for people of having this example, of having this presence. And then you feel very powerful. Now that's something to consider. So let's run through that again. You can share your truth. You can stand up. You can confront. You can speak up for yourself. You can feel authentic, powerful when you participate. And when you participate, you can only participate in the moment. You can't participate yesterday or tomorrow. You can only participate in this moment. Like, you're participating with me now. So you can only participate now. And when you participate, you're spontaneous, because participation in the moment, you can't think about it. You've got to be spontaneous and just be. And when you do it, there's action. And when there's conduct, there's a consequence. And when there's a consequence, there's a result. And that result is your reward. And that's how you can feel like you are the source and you are the cause of good things happening, not only for yourself, but also for others. Because truth is the one thing that sets us free. And it's the one thing that liberates. And if you look around the world at the moment, you'll see that everywhere the truth is popping out, and the truth is being seen, and the truth is being revealed. And that, when you stand in your truth and you have the courage to feel vulnerable, because you are seen, you are very powerful. Because true power is a certain sense, it's an absolute knowingness that you can be fearless about being vulnerable. That's a very good recipe. Because feeling powerful when you are authentic is a gift to the world. So go out there, reassure yourself, appreciate yourself, be gentle with yourself, because vulnerability is not a weakness. It's your greatest source of power. It was wonderful to share these few moments with you. May you have a wonderful life, and may you be good to yourself. And don't forget, give yourself permission, especially to be pleasantly surprised. I speak to you soon. Don't forget to push the like button, and don't forget to share. Click that black bell so that you can get all my notifications in the future. See you soon. It was lovely to be with you today. All the best. Such is life. Bye.